Hello and welcome to Audi Galway. We accept all years, makes and models for trade-in. Today we're looking at a 2016 A6 Avant S-Line Quattro with black styling pack, finished in brilliant black, powered by a 190 brake horsepower 2-litre TDI engine and S-tronic automatic gearbox. This model features 20-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, black pack exterior trim, S-Line exterior body styling, Quattro all-wheel drive, privacy glass, roof rails, LED tail lights, dynamic indicators, electric tailgate, dynamic exhaust which allows you to switch from standard to sports mode, panoramic sunroof, lunar silver Valcona leather with piano black trim, heated S-Line front sports seats with electric lumbar support, dual zone climate control, Audi MMI navigation, Audi Drive Select, front and rear parking aid, Bluetooth connectivity, S-Line multifunction leather steering wheel, keyless ignition and cruise control. For more information on this car or to arrange a test drive, contact our sales team on 091 33 6000. Visit us in our showroom located in Briar Hill, Galway. Check out our website connellys.ie.